Folks, welcome back to my second part video showing the Xiaomi 3rd generation earphones. Let me open the package and show you the item. Let's see. You can see the package is well designed with Chinese instructions inside. You have a QR code for product verification, I think. Not sure about it. All Chinese. Not so interesting. Here you have the earphone casing. Very nice. Good looking casing. Let me show you on the back. On the back you have also Chinese information. Also specifications. Okay, let me open it and show you the product. In a silicone rubber type of thing, you have all the cable arrangement and the earphones itself. Also very nice. Here on the bottom you have a series of earbuds. So earbuds for different sizes. You have 6 in total, you can see. X, S, S, L. Also, of course, plastic casing. Let me open and show you the earphones. Cable is very durable, you can see it right away. It looks pretty good. General design is also excellent. And most of the parts are from plastic material. Some are from metal material, not all. So let me show you. Let me zoom inside, show you. That's the general design. You can see. Looks pretty good. That's plastic, of course. All of it is plastic. On the back, also I think that's plastic. Maybe that's metal material, not sure. Looks pretty good. Here you have the microphone. All the standard buttons for talking with mobile phone, pushing calls. Also very standard. This is the connection, stereo connection. Also I think for metal material, this part. And it's pretty good product. Very nice job by Xiaomi. The audio quality is also very high, very clear sound for my first impression. So basically I recommend the product, it's very nice. You can find the item descriptions in the video, including supplier links and the full review in my blog, of course. And I hope you enjoy it. See you next time on my second review coming soon. Bye bye.